Hey, welcome back to Rugged Rescue. Today we're going to be working on the side-by-side behind me. We're going to put a 3-inch lift kit on it from Rough Country. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, well, the first thing I need to do is get all this other suspension out of the way. Just drop this bolt right here I'm going to drop a bolt right here on top of the shock. I know it's hard to see, but there is a bolt up there, I promise, one for each side. And then there's a plate that goes across this, and when you put that plate on there, it lowers these shocks down about 3 inches. Pretty simple. Alright, I got the front put on. It looks pretty good. Didn't have to do too much. Just pulled the shock bolts out, moved the shocks out of the way, put the brackets in, bolted it all back up. Let me show you what the front looks like. Alright, here's the front. See how much higher it sets than the back. I don't have my bridge jack on it anymore. Let's come over here. Yeah, you'll be able to tell the difference. Yeah, so you can see the front's considerably higher than the back. So let me jump on the back and I'll show y'all what it looks like when it gets done. Alright, I got it done. Front and back Rough Country lift is installed. It wasn't too hard. It looks pretty good. Let me know what y'all think. I got a whole lot more ground clearance than I did. Looks a lot better. Alright, some of the reason why I went with this, it's only a 3-inch lift kit, so I didn't have to change any of the lines or CV axles or anything like that. So, and it gave me a little bit more ground clearance, so I wouldn't mess up anything underneath or get high centered or anything like that anymore, unless it's really deep. So let me know what you think. Like, subscribe. I hope to see you soon.